As the world of electronics grows larger and larger, the internal components continue to grow smaller and smaller. The Best Robotics motto has always been "No robot left behind." One challenge remains. Squeaky, the original Best robot, needs some serious upgrades to become Squeaky 2.0. R4 has decided to hold a competition that will allow members of the community to come up with the best possible solution. Teams will be given 3 days to design and build a robot that can effectively pick up, drag, or push game pieces to the intended location. At the end of the week, teams will compete head-to-head in a competition to determine which team and robotic design will most effectively complete the task. In preparation for a round, the robot will be placed inside the robot box and will remain there until the start of the round. The driver and spotter must stay in their boxes throughout the duration of the round as well. There are 6 transistors on the field per sector. These are represented by wooden dowel rods. Teams may only pick up transistors from the group of 6 closest to the driver. These are worth 45 points each, and 2 are required to complete a circuit board. There are 30 processors on the field per sector. The processors are represented by colored golf balls. Processors are worth 10 points and 6 are required to complete the circuit board. There are 6 backup power supplies on the field per sector. Backup power supplies are represented by unopened tuna cans. The backup power supplies are worth 50 points and 2 are required to complete a circuit board. There are 2 separate regions where the game pieces can be scored by the robot, then retrieved by the spotter. These are the scoring area, which gets you regular amount of points, and the scoring bin, which will double the points of each piece. The power switches are represented by a light switch, and each field sector contains their own switch facing the main field. The power switch may only be flipped by a team once the team completes their circuit board. When flipped, the light above the switch will turn on and the power bonus will be awarded to the team that flips it. Each sector of the field has a circuit board for scoring. These are made to accommodate 2 transistors, 2 backup power supplies, and 10 processors. The spotter may pick up the scored item pieces from the 2 scoring regions and place them on the circuit board. Once the circuit board is complete and the robot has flipped the power switch, the circuit board can then be emptied of the game pieces by the spotter onto the designated bin, and score is reset to 0. Let's go over the scoring one more time. The processors are worth 10 points, the backup power supply is worth 50 points, and transistors are worth 45 points. Extra bonuses include the completion bonus, which is 5 points, and the power bonus, which is 100 points. If you have any more questions, don't hesitate to ask, and enjoy the workshop.